In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own Discord bot for free. First, go to the Discord developer portal, then open Applications and click on Create New Application. Give your application a name and, if you like, upload a logo. Next, go to Open Authorization tab and tick the following options as I do. Next, go back to the Bot tab and save all the changes. Then reset your Discord bot token and copy the new token. You will ask to enter the authentication code, so enter the code and click Submit. Now, we will use this bot creation website to make our bot. Log in with Discord and give all the authorization. Choose the server where you want to add your bot, agree to the terms, and click on Create Your Own Bot. Paste your Discord token, click Create Discord Bot, and wait a few seconds. The bot will be generated and automatically added to your server. Once it is added, you can edit the bot's profile from the website, change its banner, status, and other details. You can also monitor the bot's status, restart or stop it, and check logs and activity. That is how you can easily create your own Discord bot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips.